Hi, this is the budget versus actual trial Power BI dashboard. So let's first move to the weekly input data. So for the weekly data, the first dashlet is weekly total budget. This is all the budget value. Like if you add this budget value 84k, 95k, 56k, then you will get the total 416k. So this is that value. The second dashlet is weekly total actual. This is the sum of all actual values. So if you add this 7k, 12k, 4k, then you will get this value 42k. So this is that value. Now the next is percentage weekly budget. So this is the percentage of total actual value across this total budget. So this is the 10.1%. This one 10.1%. Okay, now the next graph is weekly budget and actual. So there is two section in this graph, budget value and actual value. So in budget value, each bar is the sum of budget value across all the let me see, across all the areas, like for area 1, area 2, area 3. So if you add this week 1 value, this budget value, this budget value, this budget value, so you will get this bar value, and same for all these weeks, and this actual is same for this budget section. So this actual is the sum of actual across all the areas, and the next is all week total budget by area. So like this is the total budget and actual area wise. So if you see for the area 1, total budget is 84k across all these weeks, and 7k actual value across all these weeks. So this is 84k and 7k. Yeah, so for area 1 this is 85k and 7k, right? Now let's move to the year to date input data. So the next dashlet is YTD total budget. So this is total budget across all the areas from the YTD in year to date input data. Like for each area, if you add this budget value, this budget value, this budget value, so you will get the total budget, and same for the total actual value from year to date data. Now the next graph is monthly budget and actual. So this graph is same like this weekly budget and actual. Instead of weeks, it is month wise. So there is two section again, budget section and this actual section. Yeah, I'm sorry. So in budget section, each bar is representing a month. So the budget value for that month, all the budget value for that month, and same for all these month. And now the actual section. In actual section, each bar is representing a month total budget value. So like for area 1, sorry, yeah, so if you see all the April 21 budget value, so you will get this value 412k, and actual value that's 365k. Now the next graph is all month total budget by area. So this is graph is same as this all week total budget by area. So here you can see the total budget and actually by area wise. So like suppose for area 1, for this area 1 the total budget is 1015k and total actual 225k. So for area 1 the total budget is 1015k, yeah, right, and total actual is 225k, that's right. Now the next calculate said this percentage YTD budget. So this is the percentage of total actual across this total budget. Now let's move to the sales history data. So this tasklet is for total sales across all the years, and this is the monthly sales history graph. We can see uh, for every year, for each year, we can see the monthly sales. Like for 2021, the April sale is 361k, for May 439k, for June 431k, and the same for all. So this graph is displaying the accumulated monthly sale. Like for 2021, the all sale is around 1.1 million dollar, and for 2020 all sale is around less than 4 million, around 3.8 or 3.9 million dollar. And now this graph is total sales by year. So you can see the total sale by years. Like for 2020 this is 3.8 million, for 2019 it is 3.8 million, right? Now there is a area selector. This is the area selector. So in this budget section and actual section, each bar is the sum of budget for every area, but you can select this area from here. Like if you select the area 1, you will get this value around 17k and actual 7k. So if we go to the weekly data, and if we see for area 1, what is the week 1 week 2 data. So this is all the 17k, and the actual value the 7k and 000, right? So we can see the budget is 17k for all the weeks, and actual value for week 1 7.2k, and for rest of the week this value is 0. And now you can select multiple areas from here, and if you don't want to select any area, you want all, then you can clear this section, and it means it will include all the areas. Now the same is here for selecting the city, like Auckland 1, Auckland 2, and this Jepson Havgas Bay. So you can select this value. And now there is year selection, so you can select any year. So if you select 2018, so in this graph you can see for 2018 monthly sales, and this is the total sale, that is 3.7 million dollar. Again, you can clear this section to include all the year sales. Yeah, thank you.